Hello students, today our topic is operations on fractions. Operations mean arithmetic operations, that means addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, recap. We have already studied about fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fractions. Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. When the denominators are same, then greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. In last video, we have learned about the comparison of fractions. Similarly, when the numerators are same, then smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. When the numerators and denominators both are same, then the fractions are equal. To compare the unlike fractions, first of all, we have to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. Now, addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition of like fractions. It is a pictorial form. In this figure, we can see first fraction is 1 by 5 and the other is 2 by 5. Both the fractions have same denominator 5. So, what is the method to add the like fractions? Add the numerators. It means here what are the numerators? In first fraction 1 and the second is 2. So add the numerators, put the answer over the denominator. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So answer will be 3 upon 5. Now subtraction of like fractions. In this figure we can see first fraction is 3 by 4 and the other is 1 by 4. So similarly, because these are like fractions, so we will subtract the numerators, put that answer over the denominator, and if needed, simplify the fraction. So when we subtract 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, we get 2 by 4. Here 2 by 4, both the numerator and denominator is divided by 2. So we will get 1 by 2. It is the simplest form of fraction. Now addition of fractions with unlike denominators. It means unlike fractions. In this example, the fractions are 3 by 5 and 3 by 2. Both the fractions have different denominators. So first of all, we will find the equivalent fraction. To find the equivalent fractions, whatever you do to the numerator, you must do the denominator. लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने बताया था अगर हमें अनलाइक फ्रैक्शंस को लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट करना है तो या तो हम कुछ इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे या डिवाइड करेंगे और जो भी करेंगे वो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों के साथ करेंगे. सो हियर in first fraction I have multiplied the numerator and denominator by 2, and in the second fraction I have multiplied the numerator and denominator by 5. Got it? So equivalent fractions are 6 by 10 and 15 by 10. Now these are like fractions. So add the numerators, the denominator will be the same. 6 plus 15 will be 21. So I will get 21 upon 10. Now it is an improper fraction. So change it into mixed fraction. We will divide 21 by 10 and we will get 2 and 1 by 10. So answer will be 2 and 1 by 10 in a mixed fraction. Now subtraction of fractions with unlike denominators. Here we can see two fractions 5 by 6 and 3 by 9. Both are unlike fractions because both have different denominators. First has 6 and the other has 9. So first of all, find the LCM of the denominators. This is your new denominator. Multiples of 6 will be 6, 12 and 18. Multiples of 9 will be 9, 18 and 27. So lowest common multiple means LCM is 18. Rewrite the problem using the LCM. Now we will make the both denominators 18. In first fraction we will multiply 3 to numerator and denominator also. And the second fraction we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 to make the denominator 18. Now I get two like fractions, 15 by 18 and 6 by 18. Now whatever we have done to the numerator we have to do with the denominator. पहले भी मैं आपको ये explain कर चुकी हूँ. So now the subtraction will be 15 upon 18 minus 6 upon 18. So only we have to subtract the numerators. 15 minus 6 will be 9 and the denominator will be same, 9 upon 18. Here divide the fraction by the HCF, means highest common factor, means we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 9 and we will get 1 upon 2. It is the simplification. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Here are some examples. Example 1. In this example, we can see the fractions are 5 by 12 and 1 by 20 and we have to add the both fractions. Similarly, we will convert these unlike fractions to like fractions. We will take the LCM of 12 and 20, that is 60, and follow the method mentioned before. पहले जो मैंने अभी पिछली स्लाइड में जितना आपको मेथड बताया, जैसा मेथड बताया वही आपको फॉलो करना है. लाइक फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद क्योंकि ये लाइक फ्रैक्शंस हो गई तो न्यूमरेटर्स ऐड हो जाएंगे और हमारा डिनोमिनेटर सेम रहेगा. फर्दर 28 by 60 इसको हम सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, so it will be 7 upon 15. Similarly, here is the other example. In this example, we will subtract same fractions, 5 by 12 minus 1 by 20, and the method you will follow will be the same. Here numerators will be subtracted and denominator will be the same, and in the end we get 22 upon 60 and the simplest form will be 11 upon 30. Addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Here is one example. I have two mixed fractions, 9 and 1 by 2 and 5 and 1 by 4. First of all, change to improper fractions, then change to common denominator. दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर हम 4 बना देंगे. फिर subtract the numerators and then change to mixed numbers. Okay. Now here is another example of addition. 9 and 1 by 2 plus 5 and 3 by 4. Similarly, change to improper fraction first of all, change to common denominator, add the numerators, then change to mixed numbers. Got it? Now shortcut method for addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Here we can see I have two mixed fractions, 2 and 1 by 2. Another is 5 and 2 by 3. Here 2 and 5 are the whole parts, okay, and 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are the fractions. Here the denominators are different. In first denominator is 2 and in the second the denominator is 3. So convert these fractions into like fractions. Okay, then add the whole part to whole part. It means 2 plus 5 will be 7 and add the fractions 3 by 6 and 4 by 6 will be 7 by 6. Okay, it will become 8 and 1 by 6. Now another example. In this example, we have to subtract the mixed fractions 7 and 4 by 9 and 3 and 3 by 18. Here 7 and 3 are whole parts. So 7 minus 3 will be 4 and 4 by 9 and 3 by 18 will be converted into like fractions and the difference or subtraction will be 5 by 18. So हमने यहाँ क्या किया? While adding or subtracting the mixed fractions, whole part to whole part and fractional part to the fractional part. Got it? Here is a rhyme to help you in addition and subtraction. What is this? If adding or subtracting is your aim, the bottom number must be the same. Changing both bottom with multiply or divide, the same to top must be applied. And don't forget to simplify before it's time to say goodbye. Okay, it will help you to remember the method to add or subtract the unlike fractions. Now, points to be remember: sum of like fractions equal to sum of numerators upon common denominator. Now, difference of like fractions is equal to difference of numerators upon common denominator. Okay. In unlike fractions, first of all, convert them into like fractions and follow the above rules for addition or subtraction. In mixed fractions, convert them into improper fractions and then add or subtract them. In shortcut method, add or subtract whole numbers and fractions of mixed fractions separately. So here our topic has finished. See you in the next video. Bye bye.